Down below is the town of Mackey, Idaho, and I'm up in the mountains where they had a very large gold mine district. You can see towers, and they had a cable tramway stretched 3.25 miles across 33 towers, which was just really neat. There's a busted up one. This right here is the lowest of the mines, but it's also supposed to be the deepest. And this is a really neat little trip. I'm not going to show you every single spot, but you really should come up and, okay, that's really neat. Maybe this is where they were loading their ore to the trams, because you have like a little shack at the bottom. You can see where the track was coming in. Okay. And the main reason is this is a tour you should really do. It's a self-driving tour. That is just a cool building. And along the way, they have little arrows pointing to where to go. And really well-constructed information signs about it. If you want to read this fully, I'll go ahead and put the actual text of it in the description. Now, I won't be going into the mine. Because this generates a hole. See, that's big enough for me to squeeze through. But I'm not going in. Not on this trip. I might do it some other time, especially if there's a request from people. Hey, look at this place. The slat wood is still there. It would have been really cool to see this before it came crashing down. You can still see the sheet metal manufacturing. Wonder what they had there. Foundations, cement for equipment. I love this tree growing in the building. That is pretty cool. Check out the other buildings and okay, so this is a tool shop. Got the forge. Wow, it looks like you can actually fire that right up. So the anvil might have been placed in there. Oh, that wall's coming down. I wonder how old. So the people who placed the cement in 1902, oop, I almost fell backwards. It's pretty cool. And that right there is groundwater monitoring. They're probably monitoring it because of the mine. This might have just been for storage. We got a little old house up here. Oh, you can still see some of the cardboard that they used for insulation. Well, that's it of this neat little place. This gets you excited to do some exploring on your own. Do it. Have fun. Be safe. And again, if you're ever near Mackay, Idaho, I'll give details in the description. This self-drive mine tour is a must-see. See you on the next one.